This is my Sam's burger. This is the burger that got everybody in town asking, who is Sam? Well, that's me, Granny Cook Good. I just want you guys to eat with me. Hang out while I mukbang on this burger. I put cheese on the tomato, lettuce, no onions because I don't care for onions. Mayo, mustard, and ketchup. A lot of black pepper for me. Ground beef, 80-20, 80% beef and 20% fats. All right, let's go to it and let you look at the inside of it. Yes. Just an old-fashioned sloppy cafe burger. Y'all don't know about the cafe burgers, but this is it. I'm going in. Mmm.